Akwaba. My name is Gloria Allorbi and this is my recipe for jollof rice. The secret to making a great jollof rice is having a great base. Tomatoes, ginger, onions, garlic, and you're good. Jollof rice is commonly found throughout West Africa, Nigeria, Senegal, but in Ghana, this is how jollof rice is made at my home, and this is how I've come to love making jollof rice. Jollof rice is a party favorite in Ghana, and it's enjoyed at celebrations like birthday parties, weddings, and many more. This is a take on my mom's recipe. I grew up watching my mom cook in the kitchen. Jollof rice is mainly enjoyed with Ghana salad, which is simply coleslaw, cabbage, onions, green peppers with dressing, and Shito, which is a spice condiment to give it an elevation of flavor. The same way we would use ketchup. So in Ghana, Shito is paired with rice and beans, waakye, plantains. My favorite is jollof rice because it always pairs beautifully, adds a depth of flavor and spice. Jollof rice to me is a celebration, brings me back to my childhood, a time with friends and family, and that's what I love about jollof rice. If you do make this recipe, use the hashtag #MyJikoni.